All right, so I just saw this token and this token caught my attention maybe because of the name. It's called COVID-19, COVID slice. This token has done 92% on CoinMarketCap and is on the watch list of 7 people. Why would I be reviewing a token on the watch list of 7 people? I don't know. Just because the name caught my attention. I'm just curious. I just want to know more about this token. Guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. You guys know I make videos every day. I make videos for ages. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting updates you will not miss out. Right. The name of this token is called COVID Slice, built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20, ranking 3767. From what we can see on Coin Market Cap, they said it is a play to earn token, NFT, and exclusive reward with COVID Slice. Play to earn tokens, NFTs, and exclusive reward with token Slice. Web 3.0 integrated games. P2E, that is play to earn means crypto, earn real crypto payouts from COVID Slice and use them to buy NFT and merchandise. Now the truth is, this information is not just, it's just basic. Like, it shouldn't look like we didn't write something. It is not, how do I put it, it's not detailed. It doesn't contain a lot of information. It doesn't give you adequate knowledge of what this token is about. They said COVID Slice is the first ever COVID-19 themed play to earn Web 3.0 blockchain enabled game. Only them play to earn Web 3.0 and blockchain enabled game. Wow, interesting. Right, I'm just going to do a review of this token. It might not be in depth because this is still in the early phase. I will do maybe a deeper one later when I think it's high time to do that. Right. From what we can find here, covidslice.io. Trying to open the official website. I don't know whether it's my network. The official website is not opening. If this official website doesn't open, I might have to end this review. Okay, good. Now, official website covidslice.io, about us, game, contract, tokenomics, roadmap, NFT. Said introducing the first ever COVID team play to end game Web 3.0 blockchain and all. So do you love slicing and dicing? If so, COVID Slice is the play to earn game for you. Put your skills to the test and improve them by unlocking new gen and feature. Oh, so basically you'll be slicing the COVID virus. I understand the idea behind the game. Say the play to earn tokens, NFT, and exclusive reward. It's time to sharpen those blades and slice our vicious, infectious enemy with the help of science. Right. I don't know whether the game is out, but from what we can see here, they said play game. I'm just gonna click it to see a free game in your browser. I think you can play this game with your browser. Sonically enhancing occupants, made with Unity. So for you to play the game, you need to log in, put a username, or you sign up, put a password and stuff. And these are people that have played the game. This website doesn't look legit, honestly, guys, in my opinion. And it don't look like this. But they said the newest blockchain enabled game, COVID Slice rewards token for top scores, NFT marketplace coming soon, contract ID, token economic supply. To buy this token, how many percent? They did not put anything here. The roadmap is here. So the roadmap is to smart contract deployment, pancake swap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, 500,000 of total liquidity, 5,000 slicers, unique orders. Then they now enter the second quarter, 20,000 slicers, NFT marketplace. Well, so these are the NFT, different COVID virus, and they have the frequently asked question. Well, this game doesn't really interest me per se. Nothing special, just the name that is catchy as far as I'm concerned with this project. From what I can see here, it's just 1,001 billion total supply, and the market cap is $49 million, while the liquidity is 165,000 liquidity, $49 million. This is huge market cap. I need to check the number of people holding this token. Very important. Honestly, guys, from what I'm seeing here, I'm not really feeling this project, but then I have to still do my review. Everything I say here is for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. Right? Make sure you do your research before you invest your money. I just review projects that I see that catch my interest so that I will save people from losing money. So let's check BS scan to see if you can get more information on this project. From BS scan, I'm waiting for it to load actually. There are 5,630 wallet address and the market cap is $49 million. Wow. For that wallet address, for that quantity and this market cap, that is huge. So what I'm going to do is I have to check the number of people holding this token and the quantity they are holding. So the next thing I'll do is I'll still go back to that BS check and I'll check the holders. Right. I just want to check if this token is worth investing in, and this token has 5,628 address, but the transfer is just 8,000. Very, very low. Doesn't make sense to me. 5,600 and whatever address should be able to transfer way more than that. Now, a particular wallet address is holding 17% of this token. Another one is holding 11%. This token looks like a scam as far as I'm concerned. This is not a safe token to invest in. It's not a safe token to invest in. A wallet address is holding 17%. Another one is holding 11%. Another one is holding 10%. Another one is holding 4.9%. This is not a safe investment. Avoid this project. This doesn't look safe. This token looks like a token that the creators will rock pull. If you check on BS check, you see that the token buy fee is 0%, sell fee is 0%, but then the contract ownership is not renounced. A newly created contract with low number of holders. You should take note of that. There's no adequate liquidity, and look at it. People are holding large amount of this token. That's what I was trying to show you guys. People are holding large amounts of this token. This looks like a scam, in my opinion. Nobody should be holding up to 5% of any project. It is not good. Once they drop, it will affect the total supply of this token. This token looks like a scam, and it's not even opening on token sniffer. This is why I'm going to end the video. I don't need to stress myself over a token that already has a very huge red flag. If you still want to invest, go on ahead and do your research. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a crypto YouTuber. Please make sure you do your research before you invest. But I don't think this is a safe token to invest in.